EnerLux casement sash installation. So get your sash in place. You want to marry the black shoe with the curl in the hinge track on the bottom and on the top. And then slide the sash in. Then put the hinge arms, snap them into the hinge track on the top and the bottom. So now the sash is secured. Open up the operator just a bit. Snap the operator arm into the sash bracket on the bottom. And then open up the operator a bit and adjust the arm so that it snaps into the face mount on the bottom. Now the window is operational. You can close it, open it, lock it. So to remove the sash is the exact same process, just in reverse. Use a flathead screwdriver, just wedge it between the sash bracket and the arms. Same thing on the face mount. Then you'll disengage the hinge arms with the same method. And the sash should slide out of the hinge track.